Hi, I'm Dr. Brett Springer. As an oral surgery specialist, my foremost goal has always been to treat my patients as if they were part of my own family. Each person who walks through my doors receives specialized care and unwavering attention to their unique needs and concerns. I firmly believe that every individual deserves personalized and empathetic care on their journey to oral health. I'm originally from Clovis, California. My journey in the field of oral surgery has been driven by a deep passion for patient care and a fascination with the utilization of advanced medical technology to improve lives. During my undergraduate years, I had the opportunity to shadow doctors and dentists, but it was my experiences alongside oral surgeons that truly ignited my passion for this field. After earning my bachelor's degree in biology from UC Irvine in 2011, I pursued my dental education at the University of Pacific. It was there that I recognized oral surgery as a perfect amalgamation of my dental knowledge and my broader interest in the medical realm. I'm truly honored to be in a position where I can provide compassionate care to individuals in need, helping them regain their smiles and self-confidence. My extensive studies and dedication to the field have led me back to my home state, California, where I'm eager to serve the community and provide an elite level of care that every patient deserves. It is a privilege to have the opportunity to make positive impact on the lives of those I treat, and I'm committed to upholding the highest standards of patient care and professionalism. My journey as an oral and maxillofacial surgeon has been guided by a deep commitment to patient well-being, a love for advanced medical technology, and a desire to give back to the community that raised me. I look forward to continuing to serve and support my patients, ensuring that they receive the exceptional care they deserve. Thank you for entrusting me with your oral health care needs.